Hi friends, welcome to Venki's channel. Today we are going to learn the advanced method for solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. There are many advanced methods to solve the Rubik's Cube. We are going to learn the CFOP method. The CFOP method is the most popular method for advanced cube solving. In CFOP, C stands for cross, F stands for F to L or the first two layers, O stands for OLL or the orientation of last layer, and P stands for PLL or the permutation of last layer. The first step in CFOP is cross. Cross is also done in the beginner method, but in the CFOP method, solving the cross is made much quicker. Now let's scramble this cube. First we have to decide with which color do we have to make the cross. I chose green as my color, but it's not only to do green. You can do with any color of your choice. I am used to solving with green, so I am doing the cross with green. The first step is to take the green center in the front side. The green should be in the center and then that side should be on your front like this. And now we have to find a green edge in the first layer or the second layer. The first preference is given to the top two layers and not the last layer. Here we have found a green color edge in the middle layer. So simply we have to just bring it to the top layer, and then the piece below it is yellow color. So we have to match it with the center piece. Now the center piece is orange color. So we have to match it with yellow. And now it's matched with yellow. And now let's find another green edge piece. We can't find any green edge piece in the middle layer, so let's shift to the top layer. We have found an edge piece in the top layer, so we have to simply move it to the middle layer. And then the color beside it is red. So the red center is here, which means this edge has to come here. So when we move this here, it goes directly on top. So if we bring this piece here and then move this green piece to the top and move it back to its original place, these both colors will be matched and we have not disturbed this piece. And now let's find another green edge piece. We have found another green edge piece in the middle layer here, and the color beside it is white. And white is already matched with a white center, so we have to just move it to the top layer. And our final edge piece is in the bottom layer over here, so we have to just bring it anywhere but not down of the empty edge piece. The piece on which this green is there should be filled. And now we have to just move this front part towards the left, and then this will be matched. So we have to move this up and then match this back again. Then the cross will be finished and all the edge pieces are matching with the center pieces. Yellow and yellow, orange and orange, white and white, and red. Solving the cross is the easiest part of solving the Rubik's Cube. The next part is to solve the F to L or the first two layers. This is the most toughest part and the most important part of solving the cube. In the next video, we'll be learning how to do the F to L or the first two layers. Bye friends.